Hello guys, and good morning. Have a pleasant Sunday to each and everyone out there. Guys, update natin, no? Naunsyami yung pag-alis namin dito sa Greece. Kasi nga, hindi pa na-confirm kung saan kami pupunta. So, as of this time, nandito pa rin kami guys sa Greece. Kaya kung nakikita nyo, no, sa background natin, same pa rin ang location natin at makikita nyo, no, abot tanaw yung mga buildings at nandoon yung lupa guys, no. So hanggang tingin lang tayo guys, and still waiting kami sa update, sa instruction kung saan kami mag-proceed guys. So that's all for today guys, and may God bless us all. Bye-bye.